In this video, I will show you how to filter favorite products and view them in a wish list page so user can get the products he liked before. We will go to our main shopping screen here and we'll start adding actions to our app bar. And here in this list, we will add a pop menu button which required an argument is item builder. Also, we can give it an icon. And here in our function of item builder, we should return a list of product pop menu. As you see here, it returns a list of pop menu entry. We won't need this context, so let's underscore it. And as you see here, it returns a list of pop menu entries, so it should return a list. And in this list, we are gonna to add a pop-up menu item, take a child, and also a value of integer or string. Here we gonna to give it the value with the integers. Also later we want to remove a filter, so duplicate this and give it a value of 1. Pop-up menu button needs also unselected function which take a value which is our selected value by the user, even 0 or 1, which determine what's going to happen when user press a value. If user select a value of 0, we will only show a product objects that have a value is favorite equal to true. To do that, we will go to our product provider or products provider, and here we are going to return a list of products but with a condition which is products.isFavorite is true. And here we are going to return a list of products which is a favorite or liked by user. Now in main shopping screen, let's add a new variable here which will change the state of showed products only in main shopping screen. But first let me convert a stateless widget to a stateful widget. And here on selected, if user choose a value of 0, let's set show favorite to true. And if the value is equal to 1, we will set show favorite to false. Now we will pass show fav to our product grid here. And we will receive this value in final boolean is favorite. And of course we will receive this value in a final boolean is favorite. And let's add to our constructor. And we'll use this value to return a suitable products data from our product provider file. If is favorite or if fav is true, we will use favorite products getter to get favorite products only, else we will return all the items. So instead of returning all products, we are gonna to use ternary operator. If true, return a favorite products, else return available products or all the available products. Oh, one more step is to use setState to update the view after changing the value. Now let's run the app and see if everything is going to work or not. Here if we filter by favorite, we are not going to see anything because we didn't favorite or liked any product before. And that's okay, it shows nothing because we didn't filter anything. It works. But if we try to remove our filter, we will get a lot of errors. And the problem here, the product was used after being disposed. And to fix this error, we are gonna to here to change notifier provider and use .value instead of this. And let's comment this and give in a value. And rerun the app again and check if the problem has been solved. Now if we press like here, we are gonna to filter per product and we can remove filter and everything is okay. So what's the difference between change notifier provider and change notifier provider.value? Let's take a break and see you in the next video.